बोलिए स्वामीनारायण भगवान की जय। हरि कृष्ण महाराज की जय। यह स्थान है कि जहाँ भगवान सहजानंद स्वामी ने खुद अपनी मूलभूत अपूर्व करुणा बरसाई। यहाँ शीतल दास को स्वामीनारायण महामंत्र से समाधि कराई। अपनी सेवा में सद्गुरु रामानंद स्वामी और 24 अवतारों का दर्शन करवा के अपनी सर्वोपरिता का दर्शन कराया। यह स्थान है जहाँ शीतल दास ने सहजानंद स्वामी की शरणागति स्वीकार की। सहजानंद स्वामी ने शीतल दास को भागवती दीक्षा देकर व्यापकानंद स्वामी नाम धारण कराया। यह स्थान में समाधि का प्रारंभ हुआ और यह स्थान में भागवती दीक्षा का भी मंगल प्रारंभ हुआ। यह स्थान में सहजानंद स्वामी ने अपना नाम बताकर अपार करुणा की। ऐसा यह प्रसादीभूत अलौकिक स्थान में सहजानंद स्वामी हमेशा के लिए प्रत्यक्ष विराजमान है। यहाँ दर्शन करने वाले दर्शनार्थियों की हरेक प्रकार की कामनाएं पूर्ण होती है। ऐसी अलौकिक सहजानंद स्वामी की कृपा से समृद्ध यह महामंत्र पीठ फरेणी धाम अपना 210 वर्ष का महामंत्र प्रागट्य महोत्सव के उपलक्ष्य में यह महामंत्र प्रागट्य दर्शनम ऐसे नामक टेलीफिल्म प्रस्तुत करता है। जो देखेंगे और सुनेंगे उनकी सर्व मनोकामना पूर्ण हो जाएगी। ऐसी महामंत्र पीठाधिपति स्वामीनारायण भगवान के चरणारविंद में प्रार्थना।
महामंत्र उद्घोष गगन के वो अनहद नाद गजावे। धरा फरेणी थी उठी सूरता। आ ब्रह्मांड डोलावे।
Years ago, Lord Swami Narayan himself gave the holy Mahamantra and performed the first baptism. Let us understand the significance of the Mahamantra and watch the story.
Narayan Muni, today is the 12th day since Narayan Muni Uddhav Avatar, Guru Varya Ramanand Swami passed away. I am unable to forget him from my memory.
And Muktanand Swami, don't even think of forgetting him by remembering him. Create verses and poems which convey his principles, words, and directive that are simple and easy for people to understand so that the coming generation knows about the miracle, Leela of Uddhavatar.
Yes, Maharaj. As you wish.
Kaviraj, you are quite elder to me and have spent many years with Guru Ramananda Swami. Hence, it is natural that you keep on remembering him.
Yes.
I also exactly remember that magnificent day, like you, when Guru Varya Ramananda Swami enthroned us with the traditional religious rites on Monday, the 16th October, 1801, Vikram Samvat 1858, Kartak Sood 11.
Yes, Maharaj. I still remember that moment. Picture perfect. You asked for 2 promises from Guru Varya.
उनद भाई खाचर, गोवा भाई, Ramji Bhai, the work of Charity Kitchen, which was started by me in this town of Jetpur. Tell us, is it going well?
Yes, Swamiji. The work of Charity Kitchen is going very well. Your wish is our command. As per your instructions, the work of almonry is in progress and shall remain so.
Swamiji, devotees like Bhanabhai and Velabhai Soni can be found nowhere. On your one command, they allotted their houses for Charity Kitchen. The rest of us are just working like a machine, Swamiji.
Unad Bhai Khachar, I know you are an emotional devotee, and also that you are hiding your devotion. Hey Unad Khachar, I also know that due to your service, your descendant and Swamiji will be always blessed with the grace of Almighty.
Maharaj, your blessings.
Parvat Bhai, Mistri Krishna Ji Bhai, Veer Ji Bhai, Ram Bhai, and Bairagi Hari Das Bhai. All of you have come with musical instruments. I'm glad to know that. And Gundala's devotees, Anandji Bhai, Vanik Karamshi Bhai, Lakha Bhai Kumar, and Meetha Bhai Soni, and other devotees, saints and female devotees, all have joined happily in this satsang. Knowing this gives us utmost happiness.
Yes, Maharaj.
Dear devotees, saints, Mukto, today here in Jetpur, for all you devotees, we want to say something very important. I have called you all to tell you something interesting. Muktanand Swami,
Yes, Guru Maharaj.
the work that I do in my life is now over. For the one whom I was waiting, that incarnate man is right here. And he is this young man, Sri Sahajanand Swami. And now I shall tell you all devotees my will, and that is, Sri Sahajanand Swami shall possess my throne. And my heart's wish is to invite all the members and celebrate this fantastic
Oh,
jubilation.
Guruji, your wish is our destiny and our happiness lies in it.
Whatever you command shall be our eternal duty.
So, devotees, saints, please start the preparation for the auspicious date of Kartak Sudhi Ekadashi. organize a service committee, and prepare the invitation cards. And all the devotees from all the regions and countries should be all cordially invited for this event.
As you wish, Maharaj. Service committee will be formed.
And Muktanandji, ghee, jaggery, grain, flour, khand, dal and dry fruits accumulate in large quantities. On this occasion, thousands and millions of devotees will come. We cannot keep them hungry. In this celebration, saints, Brahmins, scholars, rich men, kings, so many devotees will come. For all of them, there should be proper accommodation. For home and havan, a beautiful sacrificial hall shall be designed. But you must see, not only Jodhpur, but in the entire district and in the entire country, the day of Sahajanand Swami's religious enthronement, this holy day should be remembered for the coming centuries. Samvat 1858 up to Kartik Ekadashi, that is 16th October, year 1801, this auspicious day should become memorable. And on this day, with charms, prayers, and with eternal music, make this land of Jodhpur rejoice forever.
बोलो रामानंद स्वामी नी जय।
गुरुवर्या रामानंद स्वामी महाराज नी
My dear devotees, we know that for our Uddhav Sampraday's thousands of devotees, it is really surprising that in the hands of this 21-year-old boy, such a huge responsibility of the Sampradaya, Ramanand Swami, he has not gone crazy, right? But my dear devotees, that secret, till this day we have never told anyone about this, that true event. Now, we are going to share with you. In the earlier Badrikashram, in front of Nar Narayan Rishi, Dharmadev and other sages were seated. I was also present there. That time in the entire country there was widespread sin in the society, and there was deep concern over these sins. By eradicating these sins, how to establish this religion? Regarding that, we were all concerned and deeply discussing. Exactly at that time, when we were engrossed in the conversation, from Kailash Parvat, like a scintilla of Rudra, Rudra's avatar, sage Durvasa, suddenly came and stood amongst us. We were all engrossed in our discussion. We did not know anything. With this, sage Durvasa became extremely angry, and he cursed us. He told all of us, "You have deprived me of the honor, and above all, ignored my presence. And more than this, you have insulted me. With this, due to our sheer insult, I curse all of you, that all of you go to earth in human form and go through a lot of pain from the hands of the devils. O devotees, O saints, due to that curse of sage Durvasa, we were born in Ayodhya Nagari, and other saints who have taken birth on this earth and are going through the pain. All their problems will be destroyed by Sri Hari. And this Sri Hari, to all the saints, will save them from the curse of Durvasa. And with this, now the rest of my life will spend in Fareni. So, Gova Bhai, Vela Bhai, Mistri Krishnaji Bhai, Virji Bhai, Ramji Bhai, Kanji Bhai, is it fine? We will do satsang together. Hey Narayan Muni, follow and preach the religion as told in Vedas and spread it. Perform yagnas. Devote yourself in public welfare. Hey Sahajanand Swami, knowledge, monasticism and worship, spread these virtues all over. Baptize the aspirants to renunciation. Build big temples and bless them with the idols of Radha Krishna. Hey Sahajanand Swami, create the holy books and establish the Sampradaya.
Yes, my lord.
Hey Sahajanand Swami, I am very happy and blessed to have your darshan. I am thankful and obliged as well. Hey Narayana Muni, you fulfilled your promise of your previous birth. You just didn't meet us, but by your sacrifice and overlooking the monasticism, you agreed to our request and accepted this position, given more relevance. Hey Sahajanand Swami, with this we have become so happy, really jubilant. My dearest devotees, from now on, you all shall be in the command of Sahajanand Swami. Follow every instruction of Narayan Swami. Oh my devotees, I just came ahead like Ganeshji. But the true Lord is Sahajanand in person. Oh devotees, I have played my part and now my work is over. Now the real work will be done by Sri Hari himself. Oh devotees, oh saints, I have only one thing to say. Be able to accept the capable devotees. Oh Sahajanand Swami, you have all my blessings. So ask. There is nothing that I can't give you in the whole universe.
Yes, my lord.
And we also know that in the whole universe there is nothing that you are unaware of. Hey Swami, you are everything to us, supreme and the only one.
Swamiji.
And still, deep in my heart there is still a desire. On this great day of coronation, I feel like giving you a souvenir. But you only tell me, Swami, what can I give you now? You only tell us.
Swamiji.
I know that you are the powerful one. You know of the future, an archaic visionary. So please, give me 2 blessings.
Ask, Hari, whatever you want to ask.
Yes, my lord. If any one of your disciples is destined to endure the pain of a scorpion's sting, let the pain of millions and millions of scorpion stings be inflicted on every pore of my body. But may your disciple be spared. That's what I want, my lord.
As you wish, Maharaj.
Secondly, Guruji, your disciples should never face affliction of wealth. And if a begging bowl is destined for your disciples, may it come to me. But may your disciples spare the pain of insufficient food and clothes. And I always wish you to be boride me for the welfare of the deprived, and be with us always.
Wonderful, Sahajanand Swami. Wonderful. We are thankful to you. Really thankful. Hey, Sahajanand Swami, for all your fellow satsangis, in your heart you have such compassion. Tathastu. Oh Lord, your wishes should come true. Whatever you ask for should come true. Hey Sahajanand Swami, from now onwards, all my disciples, satsangis, saints, devotees, and all, from this day shall see me in your form and shall follow only your command. This is my mandate to all of you. Be blessed by Sri Sahajanand Swami.
Jai Sachidanand, Jai Sachidanand.
Muktanand Swami, you are elder to me. You are like our guardian. Since I don't want you to be in any doubt, please know that Ramanand Swami worship my Krishna from integrally and please me. So I blessed him and asked him to go and reside in Saurashtra.
Yes, Maharaj.
I knew that Saurashtra is the land of worship, and many holy souls would come to submit to Guruji. So he was instructed to help them faithfully worship. I promised to meet him in human form in Saurashtra. The sage who took human form due to cause of Durvasa Muni should come to him in Saurashtra. I instructed him establish charity kitchens at different places and to preach my lessons to those who come to him, and I also directed him to establish Uddhav Sampradaya.
Yes, Maharaj. Now I understand. So on your instruction, Guruji started the charity kitchen in Fareni at Velabai Soni's house.
Yes, and to eliminate the three afflictions of our satsangis, he had established the shrine of Lord Hanuman.
Yes, Maharaj. Guruji was always concerned about the welfare of the living beings. That's why he took a vow to start almondry at different places and donate food and share good values through the hands of virtuous saints.
That is called blessings of Sadguru.
That's why in Fareni, Doraji, Sankdi, Bandeir, Jamwadi, Piplana, Manavdar, Agadrai, Lodge, Mangrol, Jetpur, Sardar, Navanagar, Kotada, Gadada, Karyani, Manekwada, Methan, Jetalpur, and Ahmedabad, we started charity kitchens. You have also witnessed it, Maharaj.
Yes, Muktanandji. The main motive behind starting these charity kitchens was to pacify those who come to refuge. Now tell me, who would recognize and realize such a statue, the holy saint?
Maharaj, people who have traveled from far lands have been benefited by listening to the holy narration of Gita. Yakshadi and Ekadasha have been ritually performed on the banks on this river. The Shraddh rituals have been traditionally performed. The Brahmins have been given alms and donation wholeheartedly.
Muktanand Swami, you have filled me with joy by completing desired rituals. I am very much pleased. Now you just need to know my wish of 14th day.
Yes, Maharaj.
Tomorrow is the only day you have. On the 14th day after our Guruji's demise, that is the day after tomorrow, Samvat 1858, Makshar Vadi Agyaras, 31st December 1801, Thursday, I wish to organize our first religion gathering here in Fareni to be attended by 25,000 disciples, and you shall be in charge for their accommodation and facility along with other saints. I am with you.
As you wish. Nothing is impossible when you are with us.
Goa bhai, our Fareni, Goraji, Gundala, Sakli, Upleta, Jetpur, Parabdi, all these and many other towns are being favored by luck.
Why, Luna bhai?
Are Kanji bhai, Luna bhai Ahir have spoken the truth. In near future, people of the world will speak about Fareni.
Very true. This is the first time of the gala celebration in this small village, and that too in a very short period of time. Truly speaking, only God knows how it is possible.
Are who else would know apart from him, eh?
Thanks to the grace of Lord Purushottam's leadership, the first ever congregation is going to meet in Fareni. This news has reached many places. It has also been heard that even foreign dignitaries are going to attend the assembly.
Are nobody on this earth has ever witnessed such an assembly.
Well, that's all due to the grace of Sajanand Swami. A small village like Fareni has been blessed because of him. The assembly that we are going to witness tomorrow
shall be remembered by entire sect for centuries.
Are till the end of the earth, his name shall always be remembered.
Well, that is the luck and destiny of Fareni and its people. What say Ramji bhai?
Yes, and the second reason is such a huge sect shall be run by a young gentleman.
But yes, although he is a young man, all the saints, sages and scholars have equally accepted him as Guru. And that is why we shall see such a huge assembly in Fareni under his leadership.
Arey, it is just a year when he was baptized at Piplana village, and he has not even completed 21 years.
Oh my Lord, you work in mysterious ways.
Yes, very true. Really, God, you always have your own ways.
Ramji bhai, Kanji bhai, Gua bhai, all of you reach there on time. It is a golden opportunity for all the satsangis and devotees.
Yes.
Such an occasion happens only once a while.
It has been heard that with saints and devotees, many foreign pilgrims are also going to come.
Oh yes, Fareni is truly lucky. This is indeed a wonderful moment for Fareni. Wow. Everybody is curious what the young saint would speak. But to listen to him, we will have to reach there early.
We know that, Kanji bhai. Sadguru Ramanand Swami was Uddhav incarnate, and he would not hand over the responsibility of the entire sect to a young saint without proper deliberation.
And after such a long period, God himself has come on earth. Arey brother, this is a divine moment, and we all are fortunate to be a part of it.
We are fortunate enough to have been born during the time of the Lord. And on hearing about this news, the crowd of people from different places are walking towards Fareni. Yes.
Jai Siya Ram, Bhagat Ji.
Jai Siya Ram, Maharaj. Jai
Oh,
Siya
Bhagat
Ram.
Raj, will you help me?
Yes, Maharaj. I am Velabai Soni. I keep reciting his name. Oh, Mahatma, how shall I serve you?
Oh, Bhagat Raj, what is there to serve a monk? A little bit of food to eat and a place to sleep. What else does a monk need?
Come, sit, Maharaj. You relieve yourself from any worry in this town of Farani. The first religion of this town is to serve the saints and sages. This Farani is a great ceremonial land and blessed by the divinity of two great human beings.
Two great human beings?
Yes, Maharaj. One of them is Sadguru Uddhav Avatar Sri Ramanand Swami, who made this land his field of work and preached the religions, started charity kitchens to free the villagers from all the fears and to save them from troubles, problems and obstacles. He established the temple of Kashtbhanjan Dev Hanumanji on the day of Poonam in Farani and handed over the responsibility to Hanumanji himself to protect the people and pilgrims.
And the second one?
And the second one is God himself, Pragat Poon Purushottam incarnate. But yes, the time shall decide that. Tell me, Mahatma, how can I help you at this moment?
I have come here only to meet him. In search of God, I have rubbed my souls roaming around entire India, but could not calm my mind. Could not locate that divine spirit anywhere. But people told me that there is a saint in Saurashtra named Ramanand Swami, and he shall definitely answer my questions and give peace to my mind. Hence, roaming around on feet, I have come here.
What are you saying, Maharaj?
Yes, brother. My name is Sheetal Das. I am in search of God since so many years. And as such, I have heard that Saurashtra is a land of saints and shall find some saint there and would definitely answer my questions. I have heard people here worship Ramanand Swami as God. Then my heart is at content. Then whatever aspiration I have, desire I have, shall be fulfilled here.
Oh, Maharaj. God, you have your own ways. Maharaj, today is the 13th day.
13th day? Brother, I didn't understand.
Sheetal Das Ji, it's the 13th day since Ramanand Swami has ascended to heaven. Can you see that step well? That is Bhadravati. The cremation was done on the banks of it on Thursday. We were witness to it. Maharaj Ramanand Swami had his grace on me.
Oh God, I was late in reaching here. I am so unfortunate. All right, God. It's your wish.
Maharaj, Ramanand Swami is no more with us, but he has entrusted his virtues and religious heritage to an equally brilliant, radiant and efficient young man. Sajanand Swami, he is just 21 years old, but he is God incarnate.
Oh Vela Bhai, I am growing old. I am tired after roaming entire India. None of the aged saints and sages I have met have been able to answer my questions. Then how could a 20-year-old boy be able to give me the direction? Are Sheetal Das, your only fate is to roam around endlessly.
Maharaj, you are a sage. I am just a simple man from Farani. Mahatma, it is not possible for me to understand your thoughts. Well, all I remember that our Guru Ramanand Swami used to say that if you wish to worship, then be very humble, should get rid of ego and shed the disappointment from heart and get even more eager to meet Almighty. Only then one shall get what he seeks, what he desires.
Wonderful Bhaktaraj, wonderful. Even you seem to be enlightened by being with other saints. Are Bhaktaraj, You explained me such a deep and intense thought in a simple manner.
Maharaj, we are just simple men from village. We follow what saints say. We do not understand such superior ideologies. Sadguru showed us the way of worship, so gradually we followed that path.
What else did Guruji say?
Oh Maharaj, Guruji always used to say, one should work religiously, one day on its own. If God wishes, the path shall appear on its own, will hold your hand and take you along, or else keep revolving in 84 births.
Wonderful, Bhagat. Now you only tell me, what shall I do?
Oh Maharaj, you have roamed till the top of Himalayas, and now since you are here, and such a golden opportunity is walking towards you, so take advantage out of it. Such a moment doesn't come often. Such an occasion only comes in a while, and if God has sent you to be a part of such an occasion, then stay back, Maharaj. Who knows then such a moment would come again?
Bhagat Raj, these are not your words. Some divine power is speaking through your mouth. And it is telling us, Sheetal Das, now you have reached your destiny.
Are Maharaj, the significance of the day tomorrow is immense. The village of Farani is indeed fortunate.
Why?
Sheetal Das ji, like Lord Krishna appeared and blessed Narsingh Mehta in Gopnath, and Bholenath himself escorted Narsingh Mehta to him. Such divine is the occasion.
What are you saying, Bhaktaraj?
Yes, Maharaj. In the history of religion, Farani shall become eternal. God himself is leading the first ever congregation in this consecrated land. And in the significance of such an assembly, everybody is not fortunate to be a part of such an event. And Lord himself has invited you to be a part of such a precious moment. So take the advantage of it, Maharaj. Girnar or Himalayas can be visited later, as they are there to stay for long.
Vela Bhagat, through your mouth, my Guruji himself has commanded me. So now it is my duty to see him. That is a sadhu's religion. What did you say his name was?
Sajanand Swami. Maharaj, come, I shall take you to him.
Let us go.
व्यापकानंदनो आख्यान कोई कहशे के सुण शिकान तेना सिद्ध मनोरथ थाशे अंते अक्षरधाम मा जाशे कहे अचित्यानंद जी सुनो भूपति सद्गुणवान शीतलदास तणु कहूँ पामी प्रसंग शुभ आख्यान झरणा परणाना निवासी एक विप्र जगत थी उदासी ऋषि एकल श्रृंगी नावंशी जेवा ईश्वर ना होय अंशी जोया तीर्थ ना स्थान अपार આવ્યા પશ્ચિમ દેશ મોજાર વાત સાંભળી ત્યાં એવી કાન રામાનંદ છે શ્રી ભગવાન તેના દર્શન કરવાને કામ ચાલી આવ્યા તે ફણેણી ગામ કહી ત્યાં કોઈએ વાત રામાનંદ તજી ગયા દેહ તેને 13 દિવસ આજ થયા ગાદી વરણીને સોંપીને ગયા પછી કરવાને કાંઈ તપાસ સાધુ આવ્યા તે શ્રી હરિ પાસ
Pranam.
Come, Vela Bhai. Good. You have rightly held the hand of the gentleman with you and have brought him at the right place. His face admits a strong desire to find a guru.
Yes, Maharaj.
Welcome, Vairagi. Have a seat.
Bless me, Maharaj.
Vairagi, you did roam a lot, right? You have seen all the corners of the country.
Huh? Yes. But Maharaj, how did you know all this? I am a stranger.
There is no one in this world who is a stranger to me. And I do have to take care of my own.
Maharaj, I have wandered a lot, every corner, in search of a guru who would guide me towards the creator and guardian of the world. Maharaj, descendant of Eklashrungi clan, I am Sheetal Das. But Maharaj, please help me find a saint who would help me recognize the creator and guardian of the world. Wherever I go, I only face disappointment. Please have your grace on me, Maharaj.
Oh Maharaj, would I not recognize my own fragment? There is nobody who cares about everyone but God. I like the one who is desperate for the sight of the Almighty. I respect him. Even I bow down to such a devoted saint and feel sad. When he is in pain, we feel the same pain. Oh Vairagi, I do seek such a soul.
Huh? Oh yes, Maharaj. But Sheetal Das is a complete stranger and has visited Fareni for the first time. We learned his name a few moments back. And you are saying, would I not recognize my own fragment? So, I am little confused, Maharaj.
Descendant of Eklashrungi clan Muktamuni, the strong will of the Sheetal Das ji to find a mentor, penance, and worship is clearly visible on his face. I know that Sheetal Das ji had a strong desire to meet Guru Ramananda Swami. He wanted to meet him.
Very true, Maharaj. You have spoken the truth. Upon hearing Ramanand Guru's name, I have walked all the way to reach here. But Maharaj, on reaching here I got the news that it is my fate.
Your sorrow, disappointment is understandable, Sheetal Das ji. But in fact, the one who has left this world with all understanding the one who has understood the significance of Almighty and is under His blessing cannot be pained by Maya. The one who has immense faith in Him is not affected by pleasure or pain. And in fact, I myself have guided Ramanand Swami to a Lord whom you are willing to meet so desperately. Today is the 30th day of his demise.
Huh? Yes, Maharaj.
It means that you are thinking to immediately go for Char Dham Yatra to attain the sight of one whom you are seeking, right?
Very true. Even I was thinking the same, that I should instantly complete the Char Dham pilgrimage. And like you said, on account of my strong desire, I shall find the Almighty. But Lord, how did you learn about my thoughts?
Muktanand Swami or Velabhai Soni would know about it. They have stayed quite long with Ramanand Swami. We have spent just 1 or 2 years with Guruji. Right, Velabhai? How can we let go the eternal worship of our Guruji?
Maharaj, as you wish.
Sheetal Das ji, now you are our companion believer, right? The place where you came with a strong desire. This is his place. So be our guest for few days. Why are you in such a hurry?
Sheetal Das ji, Maharaj is speaking the truth. We cannot let go the one who seeks Ramanand Swami just like that. Maharaj wishes that you stay here in Fareni and be our guest. Besides, tomorrow we have a graceful festival.
Truly said Sheetal Das ji. Do take an advantage of this celebration and have the benefit of attending Sampraday's first ever assembly. Rest do as Shriji says.
All right, my Lord. As all the saints wish.
All praise to Sadanand Swami Maharaj.